যে আপনি এখানে এসেছেন একটি সমস্যা নিয়ে সেই একটু জানতে চান ঘটনাটা কী হয়েছে।
Gotana, actually, yesterday, one of my friends, who is my roommate and my childhood friend, he had a tragic accident and he was referred from Unakoti district from Kaleshar to Silchar. So on the way, we did not have his pulse anymore, so we brought it here. So after bringing here, whoever the in charges are there, they have done all the formalities. But after that, we need to take the body to the morgue. So I felt a little bit strange because there was no staff for us to assist to the morgue. So I myself, I pulled the stretcher with some of my friends and with families and put it in the morgue. But we didn't know that we should on the freezer, what should we do. And one police personnel was there, so he helped in putting and locking. And then I was here whole night. I have seen people being helpless, and even me also being helpless. What is next? What time we should do what? So I sat here whole night in the car only. I was just watching, thinking that I get my friend's body early, as much as early as possible. So in the morning they told us that the PM, the postmortem can be done after 9:30, something like that. And so police personnel came. Some of the staff were really frustrated. They said, why you all are pressurizing again and again? We will come on our time. So I feel little hurt. So see, me being an MLA, I am here, I was observing everything. So what if someone very helpless coming from poor family, coming to a district hospital, seeing the condition helpless. I have friends here, lots of friends, they have been helping us. So who doesn't have friends or family coming with wife or with only husband, they will be more helpless. So this is why we used to raise in the assembly also that the health system will be better. My colleague, who is an MLA from Jubraj Nagar, he had put the question in the assembly, maybe that is rejected. And I know, see, I don't want to blame here to any administration. Doctors are doing great, they are doing fine, but the system that the PM, the deceased family, they have been here whole night, and we didn't know that in the morning what will happen. And no one had informed us that this will be the next procedure. Police will come, this, that, and also I know they are doing their duty, but not every time you show your frustration to us. We are also here not for enjoyment, or we did not come here. আমরা তো এখানে আনন্দে আসেনি না, আমরা তো এখানে বডি কেমনে তাড়াতাড়ি we can take the body and we can do the rituals and all. We are waiting, but see, they are coming, someone showing the frustration. আপনারা কেন বারবার এত সকালে বিরক্ত করছেন? See, we didn't know what is সকাল, what time is the PM. We knew that it will be morning, police staff will come, hospital staff will come, and we didn't know the team postmortem is also required. This is also we didn't know. So me being an public representative, and I have seen some part of the state and the system and the administration, yet we suffer like that, and there should be some changes in the system. This is what I have to say.
So what's your name?
Sorry?
Name?
My name, Paul Damsu.
Okay.